Hello my YouTube people, today I'm gonna draw Goku Super Saiyan 4 in 4 different art style. First, let's make the division of this paper. Now, sketch time. To be honest with you, when I was watching this epic transformation, I was like, that was amazing, bro. By the way, guys, let me introduce Ramon. Who is Ramon? Ramon is the pet of this channel. And now, let's select the first style. The first one is Disney. Okay, I'm gonna make some change to this sketch. Sketch done. Now the liner. It's time to the color. I'm gonna use markers, alcohol markers to be exactly. I'm gonna use 3 tones. The first one is the most lightly, the second one is the middle tone, and the third one is the shadow. I'm gonna try to mix them to make a nice effect. Comment below what do you want for the next video. And here we have the first one. To be honest, that look fantastic. Let me introduce another pet. Say hello, Bruno. Now the second one. The second one is Naruto. Ooh! You know what? That's gonna be amazing. I love Naruto anime. Now, let's make the change. A sketch done. Now the liner. Now, color. In this case, I'm gonna draw Goku in 2D. If you pay attention, Disney style is most like 3D style. Bro, that look amazing. Ramon, what do you think? That was the second one. Now, the third one. The third one is Manga. Okay? In this style, I only use the liner and black color. Ramon. I was thinking Ramon names is like a Mexican name. And you know what? I like it, Ramon. Ramon is amazing. Now the fourth one is glitch. Whoa, guys, I love glitch effect. Pay attention here. I use the liner. When I'm finished, I'm gonna use 2 colors, the red one and the blue one. The red one is in the left side and the blue is in the other side, you know. Come on, bro, you know. In the right one. And to finish this, I'm gonna use a white pen to make these lines. And guys, here we have the 4 result of our drawing, our Goku Super Saiyan 4 from Daima. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Don't forget to subscribe and never forget, God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.